At exactly 3:17 a.m. every night, the woman in apartment 307 screamed. But the apartment had been empty for 3 years. I moved into this building, hoping for a fresh start. 6 months earlier, my life seemed perfect. I had a job. I had dreams. I had someone I thought would never leave. But slowly, everything fell apart. I sat alone in my small apartment, staring at the unpaid bills, the phone ringing endlessly, and wondering how my life had crumbled so quickly. Desperate for a new beginning, I finally found the cheapest apartment I could afford. I stood outside the old building, under the dim streetlight, my suitcase heavy in my hand, unsure if I was making the right decision. The building looked tired. The walls cracked. The lights flickered. The elevator groaned as if it had seen better days. The landlord handed me the key for apartment 306. Then he paused. "Whatever you do, ignore apartment 307. I frowned. Why? He said, forcing a smile, "No one lives there." That night, I lay awake in bed, staring at the ceiling, thinking about everything that had gone wrong and why life always seemed to push me down. Suddenly, bang! A loud noise hit the wall beside me. The wall connected directly to apartment 307.
Oh no!
Then I heard it, crying, soft at first, then louder and louder until it became screaming. My heart raced. I stepped closer to the wall, and the room fell completely silent. Then a whisper, "Help me." My body went cold. The voice continued, "Don't ignore me, Aisha." Then something slowly slid under my door. I stared at the floor. A small piece of paper had appeared. My hands trembled as I picked it up. There were only 5 words written on it. "You moved into my past." I froze. I didn't understand, but my stomach twisted with fear. And then I heard it again, the scream from apartment 307, this time closer, louder, and more desperate. I realized whatever was waiting in that apartment was waiting for me.